US Bank Reserve Credit Card Review. In this video, I'm going to show you whether the US Bank Reserve Credit Card is worth the premium. The US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite Card targets frequent travelers and premium card holders with benefits like 3 times points on travel and mobile wallet purchases, Priority Pass lounge access, and an annual $325 travel credit. Its points redeem at 1.5 times through the US Bank Travel Portal, making it a top-tier choice for mobile-first users. What makes this card unique is its synergy with mobile payments. You earn elevated rewards using Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, not just physical travel spending. That's a game changer if you're a digital wallet user looking to maximize everyday purchases like groceries or ride shares. It also includes strong travel insurance, no foreign transaction fees, and TSA pre-check reimbursement. However, its lounge access is limited to Priority Pass, not as robust as competitors like Amex Platinum. The $400 annual fee is offset by travel credits, but you'll need to optimize usage to fully unlock value. If you don't travel often or use mobile wallets regularly, this card may not deliver enough ROI. But if you're a frequent flyer who lives on your phone, this card can pay for itself quickly. And that's how you decide if the US Bank Reserve credit card is worth using.